Come on, Duncan. It's time to go outside. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Have to go outside. Come on, get up. That's good. I know you don't like going outside. Like I'm punishing you. Let's go this way. The door is this way. Here we are. I'll take this off. Alright, out you go.